Energy consumption is rising. Transmission networks are changing fast. But one critical element is being left behind: the way high-voltage cables connect. Cables carry power across the grid. But at the point of connection, oil and gas-based cable terminations introduce complexity, risk, and long-term challenges. Modern grids demand more: safer connections, cleaner technologies, and faster, simpler installation. Introducing AirRIP Flex Cable Termination Bushing, CTB, a dry outdoor bushing that enables safer high-voltage cable terminations. Built on proven resin-impregnated paper, RIP bushing technology, with capacitive-graded insulation, ensures stable electric field control under demanding high-voltage conditions. A standardized plug-in design for Prysmian cables enables faster and easier installation, reducing complexity, reducing downtime, reducing installation variability. No oil, no gas, no porcelain, no leakage, minimal maintenance, maximum reliability. Engineered for harsh environments, designed for a safer, cleaner, more sustainable grid. Connecting high-voltage cables seamlessly to substations and overhead lines. Co-created by Hitachi Energy and Prysmian, bringing together bushing expertise and cable system engineering. To co-create Prysmian's dry-type cable termination. Because the future of energy depends on what connects it. AirRIP Flex CTB, bushing for dry cable termination connection. Safe, sustainable, stable. Available through our partner, Prysmian.